My favorite class is Ag Mech because you get to work and weld and stuff with your hands, and I like to use my hands.
Jacob exemplifies what it means to be all in. He wants this. He gets other kids excited about coming to the shop because he is passionate about the shop, about the ag program. He's all in all the time when he's down here. He also decided to go ahead and get his MIG welding cert in the same weld, but he did it with a different process. So he's actually getting 2 certifications this year in the welding process.
I like it because that means if I ever need to do something on my own, I can do it. The certification is great, and I think it would be a lot of fun when I'm older.
From there, it's basically telling them, hey, look, I can do this. I'm trainable. You know, if I can do this weld, I can do another weld. And so this is the first step in him developing all that toolkit to be able to go out in the industry in a weld shop and weld and perform those different processes.
Jacob is always very enthusiastic with what we're doing with Bearcat Grit and what's going on in the school. I'll see him in the hallways. Doesn't matter what kind of day I'm having. Jacob wants to give me a high five, wants to talk about football, wants to ask about grit track practice, and he's always just grinning ear to ear.
It's very fun. It's very stressful also, but I would do it if I was a freshman all over again. I would do it because I know my speed will get bigger and bigger because I want to try out Spirit, and I do Bearcat Grit so then I can get faster for Spirit.
Well, Jacob's a typical Bearcat. Anywhere he can get plugged into something, he does, and that's what's so great about this district is there's so many avenues for extracurricular kids to find their fit and find something that they're passionate about, and we do a really, really good job as a district of communicating with teachers, with sharing kids across different sports, across different clubs. You know, Jacob is a strong example of that, of a Bearcat that is all in Aledo, that does everything he can do to stay involved and to have fun.